Hello learners, welcome to Easy Science for All. In the previous lecture, we learned that there are two methods of joining the resistors together. These methods are series combination and second one is parallel combination. In these two diagrams, you can see that in the first diagram, R1 and R2 resistors are joined in series, whereas in the second diagram, R1 and R2 are connected in parallel. In this part 1 of resistors in series lecture, we will check that what happens to the value of current when a number of resistors are connected in series in a circuit. We will try to understand this with the help of an activity. Take three resistors R1, R2 and R3 of different values. Say R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm and R3 is of 3 ohm resistance. Now join these three resistance in series in the following manner. Now we have got a series combination of three resistors. So this combination is known as series combination of three resistors. We will connect this series combination with a battery, say of 6 volt, an ammeter and a plug key in 4 different ways. In the first arrangement, connect ammeter before R1 as shown in this circuit and note the ammeter reading. You will observe that the value of current shown in the ammeter is 1 ampere. Now change the position of ammeter and connect it between R1 and R2 as shown here. Note the ammeter reading and you will observe that again the value of current being shown in the ammeter is 1 ampere. Remember, we have taken a 6 volt battery. Again, change the position of ammeter and connect it between R2 and R3 in the following manner. Note the ammeter reading and you will observe that here also the ammeter is showing a value of 1 ampere. That is, the value of current is 1 ampere. Again change the position of ammeter for the last time and connect it between R3 and the plug key as shown here. And note the value of current in this ammeter. You will observe that again the ammeter is showing the value of current as 1 ampere. So in all the four cases that we discussed, we observe that the value of current in the ammeter is the same independent of its, that is, ammeter's position in the electric circuit. That is, we saw that in all the four positions the value of current that was indicated by the ammeter was 1 ampere. It was, that is, I was equal to 1 ampere. From this observation, we may derive following conclusion, and the conclusion is that when a number of resistors are connected in series in the circuit, the same current flows through each resistor. That is, the current is same in every part of the circuit. In our case, it was 1 ampere in every part of the circuit. So this is a very important conclusion for series combination of resistors that has to be kept in mind. Thank you.